Don't really know how to introduce this one really, other than be careful where you take your car. So this guy has taken his car to two different garages. First one said it's a MAF sensor. Second one said it's something mechanical with inside the turbo that's stopping it from boosting properly. Needs to change the turbo. Lumped in with a £1,500 estimate. I've been here a minute, taking the engine cover off. First thing I've noticed, the N75 supply hose is absolutely destroyed. It was taped up. I mean, if that's not going to cause boost issues, what is? So be careful where you take your cars, guys. Yeah, a lot of places will try and have your pants down. I'm pretty confident that's going to resolve this guy's issue, and it's going to be a very cheap fix. So can we confirm, does the car now boost?
It boosts now, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it works.
Yeah? There you go. Trimmed it down, reattached it. You know, I mean, it's as simple as that. So just be careful where you take your car, guys.